The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flash flood warning for west central Cumberland County, north central Franklin County, southwestern Juniata County, southwestern Perry County until 6:45 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a thunderstorm over north central Franklin, southwestern Juniata, southwestern Perry, and west central Cumberland counties. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to rural areas of north central Franklin, southwestern Juniata, southwestern Perry, and west central Cumberland counties. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Turn around, don't drown. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, move up to higher ground. Please report flooding to the National Weather Service in State College through Twitter or Facebook. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Franklin, Juniata, and Perry. A strong